Hi everyone! So let's see kung ano mensahe ng Panginoon para sa ating lahat. We have the Sun in reverse. We also have the Ghost in either way. We have the Curse here. And we have X. So gusto sabihin ng Panginoon na if ever you do have an ex-lover, ex-friend, kung anong ex yan, kinukulam niya kayo dahil di siya masaya. And dahil siguro with the Ghost being here, baka iba sa inyo, umalis kayo sa kanyang buhay, blinak niyo siya, kaya nainis siya at kinulam kayo. So you have the Truth in reverse. We also have this one in either way. So kaya niya kayo kinulam dahil nalulungkot siya. Okay? At with the Truth in reverse, ibig sabihin lang noon may pinapakalat siyang chismis about you na hindi naman makatotohanan. At ginagawa niya to dahil malungkot siya na lumayo kayo sa kanyang buhay. We have the Gift. We also have You're always on my mind, forever in my heart, but it's in reverse. We also have this one here. So, I'm sensing na siguro kayo naka-move on na sa kanya. Siya kasi hindi pa siya nag-move on. And this is the reason why he or she is hindi angat. Okay? Kasi hindi siya maka-move on. Lagi siya may hate sa kanyang puso. We also have this one, hurry in reverse or either way. I'm sensing with this one na kung sino man to, na-sense ko talaga yung sad energy sa kanya. If ever you feel like you're cursed, I'm sensing na pinayagan ng Diyos na maramdaman mo yun, pero hindi naman ganong kasakitan. Kasi gusto niya maging aware ka na may nangungulam sa'yo. And you have to do something. Like example, by praying. Okay, pray ka kay God na maalis lahat ng negativity. And I will suggest you guys to pray yung Psalm 91. O kaya Psalm 43 can be as well. At saka pray na rin kayo nung dasal ni Mother Teresa. Makakatulong din yan. At saka yun yung dapat nyong gawin. At saka kung may ex kayo, alam nyo kung sino nangungulam sa inyo. I will suggest you guys to pray for that person to have healing in their heart para makamove on na sila. Kasi hindi rin maganda na stagnant sila. Tapos siguro nangyari dito, sinisisi kayo. Okay, hindi na maganda yun. So, anyway, that's it guys, and God bless all of you.